Bench Reservation is an online reservation system that allows customers to book a service center appointment before they plan to visit. Appointments can be for any issue related to PC or print devices. Reserving your appointment with Bench Reservation has many advantages. Book your appointment anytime, 24/7. The service agents can plan ahead for your visit, optimizing customer service. Less wait time at the service center. Manage your appointment online, including changing the time or canceling. Receive timely reminders and notifications. Create an appointment by visiting our support website, support.hp.com, or scanning the QR code at the service center. To set up an appointment on the HP support site, click My HP Account and select Service Appointment. The HP Service Center locator lists all the service centers in your area. Service centers with a carry-in option show a button for Schedule an Appointment. Click the button to start scheduling. On the sign-in page, enter your account information or click Sign Up to create a new account. Then, enter your contact information in the Customer Details section. Under Product Details, enter your product information and click Validate Product to check if the device is in warranty. Select your preferred date and time for an appointment in the Service Details section. After all the required fields are filled, click Preview to verify the details, then Confirm. The My Booked Appointment tab shows any appointments under your account. Click the appointment confirmation number to see the details. To cancel or reschedule an appointment, click the Status menu and select the option you want. Click Preview, then Confirm to save your changes. You will receive timely notifications and reminders about your appointment. At your appointment, our service agent will investigate and resolve the issue, including advising on any next steps.